hell is this? Hey dude, you forgot this! Dude! Always leaving his trash everywhere.
Hey guys, I'm Andrew, and this is Desert Derpers, and today we have this Tannerite. Now it's known as a bunch, in other circles under a bunch of different names. It's known as Sonic Boom. You've got Earthshaker. Those are all brands. Tannerite is also a brand, but for today we're just going to call this Tannerite to make it simple. They're all the same. This is a binary explosive. Now it's made out of two components. It's made out of ammonium nitrate. And then it comes a little baggie of aluminum powder. Now, when those two chemicals are apart, they're completely inert. You can't light them on fire. You can't do anything. There's no way you can get them to go boom. But what you do is you mix them together and you hit it with a high-powered rifle. Now, the velocity has to be over 2,000 feet per second, and like over a 40-grain bullet. But you hit it with a high-powered rifle, and boom, it explodes. On the channel, we're gonna start our new thing every Tuesday, or every other Tuesday. So 2 Tuesdays a month, every other Tuesday, we're going to do Tannerite Tuesdays. And Tannerite Tuesday is we're going to take a half pound, 2 pounds, however much, and we are going to blow something up. Today, we have a half pound versus a microwave. So we're going to mix this up, we're going to get it down range, and we're going to try to capture it from as many angles as we can, the explosion. All right, let's get to it. All right, this is Tannerite in the microwave for Tannerite Tuesdays. Ready? Whoa! Oh, that's great. I thought that was going to be more forward, not all the way back there. Oh, that's great. So, that was one hell of an explosion. Oh god. Oh, here we go. Here's our, oh, show them the pieces. These are some of the pieces of the microwave that's left.
Yeah, it was probably, it was a little bit off that way.
Yeah, it was probably
about halfway between.
Yeah, 20 yards, like probably 20 yards. It blew that way, blew toward the other camera. And then right here, we have the rest of our microwave there. That's like the inside. And then up there on the hill, you can't see it. We'll walk up there real quick. It blew a part of the microwave on top of this hill. Oh, it blew another part, look. It blew a part there and a part there. So guys, that's Tannerite Tuesdays. We're gonna be doing them every other Tuesday of the month. So every second Tuesday, right?
That's right.
And hope you guys like it. We'll see you guys in the next Desert Derpers.
Later.
Peace.